What is popping, Dawama family? It's your boy Kataris A, the author and the owner of Dawama Forex System and Dawama Forex Robot. Today we're gonna be doing live trading. Because I've been getting a lot of confusions from people. They say, um, sorry guys, I'm sorry. They say that the system doesn't work the way they expected the system to work. So I'm gonna be walking you through step by step on how I take trades and on how I am able to catch massive entries, guys. Guys, I've told you from the moment I started selling this system that you must not rely on this system 1000%, guys. You must have some kind of knowledge and some kind of like you must not depend on the system 1000%. Okay, there are criteria that you need to follow in order to catch massive trades or massive entries. Do you understand? So what you do, guys, you don't start here on your MT4 platform. No, you don't start here. No, no, no. You start on your trading view. Everything starts on your trading view, guys. So I've been looking at EUR/GBP, and this is what I'm seeing on EUR/GBP, guys. As you can see, EUR/GBP, we've been um on an uptrend for the past, let me check how long ago. For the past 85 days we've been bullish on EUR/USD, guys. So what you need to identify is your trend, right? And as you can see, my trend is clearly bullish. So I'm gonna draw my trend line just like that and see opportunities that I have in entering the trades on EUR/GBP. And as you can see, if I go to a line chart for accuracy, you can see that these are my trend goals. We had the first touch and the second touch, and then same goes to the upper trend. I mean, on the resistant trend. As you can see, we had the first touch, second touch, third touch. But what I also see on our line chart is that here we have some kind of a resistance zone right over here, and yeah, right over here. And as you can see, we had the first touch, second touch, third touch, and then here we almost touched but we didn't. But we consider this resisted because you can see that it came back here and then it turned back to our trend line. So what I'm gonna do is to switch back to my candlestick chart and look for opportunities. You can see that on our line chart it just touched our resistance zone, eh? And then after it touches our resistance zone, what do we expect from the market? We expect that the market is going to go all the way down. Do you understand? But it doesn't mean that you're going to have to hold trades from here up until here. You have to set your own target. I, for one, what I see is potential support right over here. So potential support right over here and over here. This is where I'm going to be taking my take profits, guys. This is where I'm going to be taking my profits. As you can see, that my levels are clearly accurate because we never retested this level, we never retested this level, and we also never retested this level. So what I am anticipating on EUR/GBP is that the market is going to go down, come and retest it. Even if the market come and retest right over here just like this and then go back up, I will be safe because there are some of the profits that I'm going to be taking on this support zone. Do you understand? So since I'm done analyzing and understanding my my trend and my own perspective on EUR/GBP, this is a 4-hour time frame, guys. You can go to a 1-hour time frame for more information on the market, or go to a 50 minutes time frame for more information. And if you go to a 50 minutes time frame, you can see that the market is ready to plummet. Why do I say that? Because we just resisted on our trend line right over here, and then we also have this confirmation candlestick, which is the doji candlestick right over here, which indicates that the market is ready to go to the downside. This is the doji candlestick, guys. It indicates that the market is ready to go to the downside. Now, once I am okay with my bias, with my analysis, all that is left, guys, is for me to go back to the system and wait for confirmation. Here is a 5 minutes time frame, and if you look in our 5 minutes time frame, you can see that the system, it drew a trend for us. We had the first touch over here, second touch, third touch, and the fourth touch. Do you understand? But then on our support trend, we had the first touch, second touch, and now we are on our third touch. But what I'm seeing on our third touch is that the market is ready to go to the downside. Why? Because you can see that the market is clearly ready to break this trend, and once it breaks this trend, it means that we are ready to go to the downside. We are ready to go to the downside, guys. But if you were someone who was just depending on the system 1000% without any knowledge, you're gonna enter a buy right over here, which is not wrong, guys. Which is not wrong, entering a buy over here, ready to taking up the market. Let me do like this. Just like that, which is not wrong, guys, if you're going to be ready to taking up the market, because based on our system, we have the first touch, second touch, and this is the third touch. And mind you, we have the buy signal and the double confirmation for a buy, which means we are ready to go up. But based on our analysis and understanding the market structure, we know that we have to go down, because we just touch our support, our resistance trend line, and with the market on our system is showing that we are ready to go to the downside. As you can see, the market is ready to go to the downside, or maybe retest a little bit from here, come back up, and then go down again. But you must remember where you are taking profits. If I go to the 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see that this is where we are taking our profits. Number 1 over here, and number 2 over here, and number 3 over here. This way we'll be taking our profits, guys. Even if the market comes and bounce on this trend line, as I was saying on our analysis, it will be a win for us, because we're going to secure some of the trades on this zone right over here. And also, if you can see, this was some sort of like a resistance zone for this moment. The market came in reverse over here, went down, and then came back, break. So we are more expecting the market to come back here and then go back up based on our system. But based on our knowledge, we are expecting the market to come back down, go back up, and retest a little bit on our minor trend line for from our 50 minutes time frame, as you can see. And then from there, we're going to be taking down the market, because the market, it is showing that it is ready to go down. Do you understand? The market is showing that it is ready to go down, and we must not fight with our own analysis. If we see a buy, we enter a buy. Remember, you enter what you see, not what you think. And what I see right now is the market trying to break this support zone right over here. So let me go ahead and take sales. Let me go ahead and take sales on our MT5 vision. Let me go ahead and take sales on our MT5 vision. On our MT5, this is Euro GBP, guys. Euro GBP. And now I'm just gonna be taking sales. But before I go to the sales, I think I should go to the 50 minutes time frame for more confluence, because here the market isn't breaking the trend, is still playing on our trend line. But if I go to the 5 minutes time frame, what do I see on our 5 minute time frame? What I see is that we have the double confirmation for a sell on our 50 minutes time frame. It means that now it's time for us to take a sell. But if you also look in our direction zone indicator, it shows that the red bar, the market is about to go down heavily. Do you understand? So let me go ahead and take sales on our MT5 vision. on our 85. I'm taking sales, guys. Right in front of you, I'm taking sales. I'm taking sales. I'm taking sales. I think that will do, guys. Proper risk management. This is only a 2000 account. As you can see, we had 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Let me make it 0.20 because 0.16 doesn't make sense to me. Let me make it 0.20, guys, as you can see. And now what is left for me is to be patient and hold this trade. So I'm gonna be pausing this video and I'll be back with my results, guys, because everything sets up on my analysis and on the system. This is how I enter trades, guys. I don't just go in fully on the system 1000% relying on it. No, I come with my knowledge and the system is just there to back me up and to give me my confidence. Until then, guys, I'll be back with some results. I'm out, guys. Peace. Guys, I am back and this trade, I am very much confident about this trade. I'm not gonna lie, I am very much confident about this trade. So I'm gonna be taking more sales, but this time I'm not gonna be using 0.02. I'm gonna be using 0.01. I'll be sharing the screen. I'm screen recording right now, and I'll be sharing the screen. So let's take sales. I've taken more sales. I don't know how many sales I've taken, but I'm still gonna let me use 0.03 because now I am confident about this trade. I'm not gonna lie, I am very much confident, guys. I am very much confident. As you can see, we've started to break just a little bit our trend line. We've breaking just a little bit, and now I'm just gonna be holding this trade, guys, up until we have came to our take profit. I'm just gonna be holding up until our take profit, guys. Until then, update, guys. I'm back. The market is doing exactly what we anticipated. I told you the market is gonna break the trend, and as you can see on my NT5, this is how we're going. This is how we're doing, guys. Check the entries. The entries were clean. Nothing was intimidating. But just look how the market is dropping, because we have some sort of knowledge and we are relying on the system. The system is telling us we should sell, and our knowledge is telling us that we should also sell. And now I'm just gonna be holding, guys. I'm just gonna be holding until our first take profit, second take profit, and our third take profit. I'll be back with the results, guys. I'll be back with some results. Update, guys, update. We're back. As you can see, the market is successfully trading towards our take profit number 1. As you can see, 718 is running. These are the same entries I took, guys, in front of you all. 700 is running, almost 800, guys. We're running almost 800, and now we're gonna be holding up until our take profit number 1, which is right over here. Guys, I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm just gonna cut this video short. Our take profit one is here. Okay. So I'm just gonna be closing all the take profit. I'm just gonna be closing all the trades on our take profit number 1, guys. Let's go, guys. Let's get this money. Let's get this money with the system. Until take profits, Qatar SA signing out. Updates, guys. As you can see, I think I'm gonna have to close right now because I've reached my target, my take profit 1. Guys, my main purpose for this video was to show you how I'm able to catch trades. It now seems like I've reached my target of 1000. I'm gonna have to close my position, guys. I'm gonna have to close my positions, or some of them, and leave the rest running, because this is a very nice trade, guys. This is a very nice trade. check those entries. We anticipated that the market is going to break that trend, and then once it breaks the trend, it plummeted to the downside, guys. Until then, guys, it's a boycott RSA. I'm out, guys. I'm gonna have to close these trades because I've reached my take profit and I've reached my targets. I'm gonna have to close, guys, right in front of you. Boom. 1000 secured. 1000 secured. Until then, guys, it was a very good video to show you how I'm able to take trades step by step. And the main message for this video is to tell you not to rely 1000% on the system. You must have some kind of trading knowledge of yourself, and then system should be there just to back you up and to boost your confidence, because the system, it cannot always be right. It can be right at some point, but it's better for it to be right and to be wrong when you know your bias. If you know that today I'm looking for sales and the system says sell, then that's a win in your textbook. But if you're just coming in empty-handed without any idea of what's going on in the market, you're gonna have a very, very big problem, guys. Because I remember anticipating that the market is gonna break over here and gonna go to the downside, and that's exactly what happened. Because our analysis on our on our trading view, it was showing us the very same thing, that okay, now we have touched our resistance zone, we have to go down, all the way down to these levels, level number 1, level number 2, and then level number 3. But I'm not going to be holding until these levels because I don't want to make the video too long. It's better for me to close right over here now that I even reached my target of 1000, guys. Until then, guys, it's your boy Katara. I am out, guys. Peace.